So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to compare fractions in order to figure out greater than, less than, right? Or equal. So that's what we're going to be working on, comparing fractions. Now we're going to start off with an example, and this is a simple technique, right? And in this example, I have 5, 12, and let's say 3/8. We want to figure out which of these guys are larger, right? Now, what are we going to do to figure that out? Here's a simple technique. I call this the cross multiplication technique, right? So we're just going to say multiply the denominator of one fraction by the numerator of another fraction. Multiply the denominator of one by the numerator of another. And let's put our little equal signs. So let's say this now. Let's say 12 times 3 is equal to 36. Then we say 8 times 5 is equal to 40. Now let's look at these numbers very closely. 8 times 5 is 40. 12 times 3 is 36. Which of these two numbers, which of these two products are larger? Of course, 40 is larger than 36. 40 is larger than 36. Therefore, this fraction right here, 5/12, is larger than 3/8. So let's redo that. Let's rewrite the fraction with the greater than, less than sign. So we'd say 5/12 is greater than 3/8. Simple as that. Let's do another example. Let me erase, clear it up, give you another set of fractions. Okay. Now, here's our other fraction. Now we're going to say a half, a very common fraction. Half, and let's say 2/7. 2/7. Now, a lot of people would probably think that this fraction is larger because the numbers are larger and all that, but we're going to really compare it and see, for example, see which one is really larger by using the cross multiplication technique. So we're going to say denominator 7 multiplied by numerator 1, denominator 2 multiplied by numerator 2. Put our equal signs. So now let's say 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 7 times 1 is equal to 7. Which of the two products are larger? Obviously, 7 is larger than 4. So, therefore, a half is larger than 2/7. So let me write that out. So I say half is greater than 2/7. And that's it. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Remember, all you have to do is set up your two fractions, multiply the denominator of one fraction by the numerator of another, denominator by numerator. Whichever side the larger product appear on, that's the side that has the larger of the two fractions.